This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have a boot for you guys again from RKS, one Spanish brand. A high heel boot specially for women. So let's see what we have inside the pack. And let's take this off. Wow, this one as well. Here we go. Big boots. Wow, lovely high lovely winter boots. This one is for women, so you girls, you can use with shorts in this case, or high jeans and whatever you want. Backside is a cotton. This part, the chain, look at the material, seems very high quality to me. Look at this quality material. So looks to me something as Timberland, little bit light than Timberland or Panama Jack, but still a high quality sole because it has only one partition. That means good, it's not parted together. High quality European product. In this case, M is written here. MTNG 40 is the size. So look at the quality. Here is the cotton, this side, and all the way chain at the bottom. So if you have tight pant or something, you can open here the chain. Yeah. So all the way down the chain is so much big, I can put all in the frame. So let's see. Side here comes with different thing. Lovely, looks great to me. Wow, very high quality product. Price 70 to 90 euros in Spain, and it could be different places, but very high quality here. Let's see the other one. It's similar, it's the same, and information is written M to follow. Here you see M marking. Lovely long boots for girls, for women. Lovely. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.